Yesterday, Bitcoin went to the downside till we had like 5 hours till the CME open. So basically, right now we have a CME gap. We closed at Friday right here, so around 39,200. Yeah, so we can mark this level as important one, like that. Yeah, maybe make it white so we can see it better. So as you can see, we have a CME gap right now, which should be filled in my opinion, because basically this is how it often works, that CME gaps are being filled. So yeah, we have to keep in mind that we have a CME gap, and off of that, now I can make my trading plan. And let's start with the resistance. So very simply, what I can do is pull my Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low. And as you can see, we have a golden pocket, and just above it, we have a CME gap. Yeah. So this is already a really nice confluence to our level. We go into the golden pocket, fill the CME gap, and reject from there. Also, what is important is that we have a point of control right here. So basically it is a resistance, yeah. But we have to keep in mind that we have a CME gap. So it could push to the upside to fill the CME gap. Of course, we can reject from the point of control and reach for that CME gap later, yeah. Always it is possible. But right now I'm looking at this resistance. Also, what is interesting is if I pull my, basically, as you can see, I pulled my fixed range from where this whole range where we have a volume started, yeah. After this drop to the downside, you can see that we started to build a little more volume. And we have a value area high, as you can see. It is another confluence to our basically resistance. So one could say that this is basically a zone of resistance of about 1%, not really a big one, yeah. And this is really, really nice in my opinion. Also, what is important is that we have a previous day value area high right here. It is just above our value area high, but it basically it gives to us a little bigger zone, one could say, yeah. But we have to keep in mind that this whole range is the resistance, because we had a resistance right here a lot of times, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. One could say also that this is a resistance also, because we tried to push to the upside and we failed to do that. So this is definitely a zone of resistance, and it is important in my opinion. One could say that we also can have a swing failure of these highs, but basically it is the invalidation of this whole trade, because basically it gives to us bigger zone, which is not good for me. I will look for another confluence higher right here, yeah. So basically, very simply, I'm looking at it from the value area high, yeah, to the golden pocket, yeah. So it gives to me a 1% range zone, and this is a really nice zone to look for a short position, yeah. So we have a resistance right here, but if we'll basically go through that resistance to the upside, then what I will be looking for is, we have to zoom out a little bit right now. Then basically what I will look for is, let's see, I need to pull my fixed range from there till now. And what it gives to me, well, it gives to me a very nice level, which is 42K. So already it is a psychological level, yeah, this point of control. It is a psychological level of $42,000. So this is very interesting and important. Also, as you can see, it is very, very nice SR flip. So as you can see, we have resistance, support. It was broken, so it should act as a resistance right now, yeah? Very nice. Also, what is very important and nice to see is that we have also a golden pocket from this high to the low. We have a golden pocket, and we have a point of control at the same zone, yeah. So this is really, really nice. And very simply, we have this range. So naturally, we broke out from it. If we are gonna try to go again inside of this range, we might have a resistance. If we'll reject, gotcha, that's a proper rejection, yeah, because naturally it is the resistance, because we had a support, it was broken, it should act as a resistance. So very simply, we have a resistance around here at 39,200 CME gap, yeah, and to the upside we have a this big point of control and golden pocket at $42,000, yeah, really nice SR flip. So we know right now our resistance, and let's talk about support level. So the support level for me is at 786 of this move, yeah, so Fibonacci retracement at 786. Why it is important for me? Well, very simply, what I have is the value area low of this range. So one could think that if we're seeing acceptance into this range, yeah, we are right now in this range, and very simply, we trade it from the value area high to the point of control to the value area low, yeah. So as you can see, we have a value area low as the confluence to our 786 Fibonacci retracement, yeah, very important. And also, if we zoom in like that, and as you can see, we had a drop to the downside, yeah, and then we had a nice volume going to the upside, and again the really quick pump to the upside. So what I can do is pull my fixed range tool and pull it from where this whole bigger volume range started, pull this tool till it ended, and it gives to me a really nice point of control, yeah. It is basically at exact point where we have a 786. So as you can see right here, we had the most amount of volume at this level, and this is why this level is important for me. So that is the support level at 35,600, yeah. So this is important support level for me. So I have a plan, I have levels to the upside, I have levels to the downside, and I'm ready for both of these scenarios. So I am not scared. I am happy to trade the higher prices and the lower prices. So that is it. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell, and see you later. Bye.